My name's Dylan Farrelly. I'm a quantity surveyor and I work for Designer Group. As a quantity surveyor, you're tracking, managing and costing change or variations to the contract, assessing payment applications which have been made by subcontractors and preparing applications to be made to the client. Some of the skills that you need to be a successful quantity surveyor: you need to be highly organised, have an attention to detail and be a strong communicator. So there's two things that I really enjoy about the job. Firstly is constantly getting to meet and develop new relationships with individuals, whether it be clients or subcontractors. And the second thing is getting to work across a range of large-scale, high-tech projects. I got a job as an assistant quantity surveyor when I was in my first year of college. I went on to work every summer of my college career since with them, as well as completing my 9-month internship with Designer Group. The fact that I was working with Designer Group from first year of college really gave me a great understanding of the company and made it easy to fit in. If I was to give my younger self a piece of advice, it would be to work my presentation skills and really develop my confidence.